Welcome to Life Redesign Studio. Today, we will learn reasons behind headache. Your blurry vision. You may get a headache when you try to focus on something near your face. If you are far-sighted, things look fuzzy as you get closer to them. It could be because your eyeball is too short or the clear covering on your eye, called the cornea, is too flat. You might be born with it, but it starts to happen to most folks after age 40. You tense your neck and shoulders. Do you hunch over your computer for hours or hold your phone to your ear with your shoulder? Or maybe stress makes you tense the muscles in your jaw. Any of these may cause tension headaches. A hot shower, warming pad, and over-the-counter meds can help. Regular exercise along with meditation might stop it before it starts. You are hungry. Maybe you haven't had a meal in a while. It could give you low blood sugar, which triggers a headache. It might help to have several small meals instead of 3 big ones, and keep healthy snacks like nuts or veggies on hand for emergencies. You skipped your morning tea coffee. Your body gets used to the caffeine and reminds you with a throbbing head if you forget to drink your regular cup. When coffee isn't at hand, green or black tea or even dark chocolate will do. If you want to quit your caffeine habit, don't do it all at once. Cut down by about 25% a week to get used to it. Your sinuses are swollen. A simple cold can inflame hollow areas behind your cheekbones and forehead. The swelling could cause pain there that worsens when you bend over. It might be hard to breathe because mucus, which can get thick and yellow or green, doesn't drain properly. You drank too much last night. Today you pay with a hangover that includes a throbbing head. That's because alcohol disturbs your sleep and rids your body of liquid. You may feel tired and nauseous too. About 5 to 8 drinks for men and 3 to 5 for women is enough to cause it. Rehydrate with water, broth, or sports drinks. You just ate ice cream. Sometimes called an ice cream headache or brain freeze, it happens when you eat something very cold, especially if you do it fast. Doctors aren't sure what causes it, but it could be that the icy temperature makes the blood vessels in your mouth shrink, which triggers pain signals to your brain. It's nothing to worry about and is usually gone in a minute or so. Prevention is simple. Eat frosty foods more slowly. You hit your head. Headaches can start right away or months after an injury. They might be at the site of the blow or all over your skull and may get worse when you are stressed. The cause isn't always clear, but sometimes too much blood builds up in one spot. This is called a hematoma. In serious cases, you may feel weak, confused, nauseous, and forgetful. You have an ear infection. Bacteria or a virus may infect the air-filled middle ear, where tiny bones vibrate to make the sounds you hear. It usually happens fast. Fluid buildup could cause ear and head pain along with drainage of liquid, blood, or pus. You overdo your pain relievers. Even common over-the-counter medications like aspirin, ibuprofen, and acetaminophen may cause headaches if you use them more than 15 days a month. Prescription opioids or drugs with caffeine might do it in just 10 days. People who get migraines are more likely to have this problem. You ate a headache trigger. Everyone is different, but foods that are more likely to cause a throbbing head include aged cheese, some fruits and nuts, alcohol. You can figure out your triggers if you track what and when you eat in a food journal and notice what leads to a headache. You just worked out. You might hurt on both sides of your head while you exercise hard or after you are done. Running, swimming, or weightlifting can bring it on. It's usually nothing to worry about, but it's best to check with your doctor to be sure it's not something serious. You have got the wrong pillow. It may give you a headache if it puts your body in the wrong posture all night. And if you toss and turn, the lack of sleep might also lead to a pounding head. Look for a pillow that keeps your head and neck in line with the rest of your body, as if you are standing up. Avoid all these reasons and stay far away from headaches. Stay healthy, keep smiling.